Good morning friends. Today we will discuss about thermoplastics and thermosetting resins. Thermoplastics and thermosettings. These are polymer materials. So thermoplastics means polymer which undergoes structural modifications by applying external conditions like temperature, pressure, catalyst, heat, etc. Then the structural modifications going on this polymer material, then we are called as thermoplastics. When withdrawn or conditioned, then it's regain their original structure, that is thermoplastic. In case polymer material undergoes structural modification by applying external conditions, temperature, pressure, etc., catalyst, etc., then the molecules which doesn't undergoes regain their original structure, they cannot regain their original structure, then those polymers are called thermosetting polymers. Okay. So they regain their original structure, that is thermoplastics. They cannot regain their original structure, so those are thermosetting resins. Right. Thermoplastics, so plastic material which undergoes the addition polymerization mechanism. Thermosettings are formed by condensation polymerization mechanism. Then the thermoplastics possesses linear molecules. Thermosettings possess three-dimensional cross-linked molecules. Then thermoplastic materials are very soft, weak and more brittle nature. But thermosettings are hard, strong and less brittle nature. Then, so examples of thermoplastics are PVC, polyvinyl chloride and polyethylene, polypropylene. So those type of linear molecules are examples for thermoplastics, and three-dimensional and rigid molecules are examples for thermosetting resins. So those are bakelite, formaldehyde resins and urea formaldehyde resins. So those type of molecules, nylon, those type of molecules are examples for thermosetting resins. Rubber molecules, elastomers, preparation of Buna S and Buna N rubbers. These two are synthetic rubbers. Then first Buna S rubber. Buna S rubber prepared by 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. N moles of this is polymerization, undergoes the co-polymerization process. So we will take into N times of 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene react with N moles of styrene. Undergoes co-polymerization. And in presence of sodium metal on heating, then these two materials 1,3-butadiene and styrene undergoes the co-polymerization process to form Buna S rubber. This is the preparation of Buna S. N moles of 1,3-butadiene react with 1 N moles of styrene in presence of sodium metal on heating. So undergoes the co-polymerization process then to form Buna S rubber. This is synthetic rubber material. Next, Buna N rubber. This is also a synthetic rubber. So this is also called nitrile rubber. So 1,3 here also 1,3-butadiene react with vinyl cyanide. N moles of vinyl cyanide undergoes co-polymerization, not used for the heat and catalyst. Then it forms Buna L. Okay. 1,3-butadiene, N moles of 1,3-butadiene react with N moles of vinyl cyanide undergo polymerization process to form Buna N rubber, nitrile rubber. This is also a synthetic rubber material.